How to remove Google account from Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google account from your Android phone. But before we begin, please note that when you remove the account, you'll be signed out of Gmail, Play Store, and other Google apps on that phone. Now let's begin. Open the Settings app on your phone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Accounts and Backup. Some phones might say Users and Accounts instead. Now, tap on Manage Account. You'll see the list of Google accounts linked to your phone. Select the account you want to remove. Tap Remove Account. Then confirm by tapping Remove Account again. If asked, enter your phone PIN or password. Optional tip: if you're selling or giving away your phone, remove your Google account first. Then do a factory reset to wipe your data. And that's it! You've successfully removed your Google account. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.